How's it going, everybody? This is Brent again from Deep Creek Metalworks. Hope everybody had a great Christmas. So here it is. This is our 100-gallon backyard pit with the new available off-road package. It's got our self-locking folding shelf. We got upper slide-out cooking rack, dual tail trues, folding stack. It's got our in-house custom laser cut skirt around it to tie the whole thing together. Custom laser cut front axle. Got our 20-inch overall diameter tires, off-road tires. The skirt system wraps around the back to tie the whole thing together for a clean look. Got our standard 1.25 inch ball valve underneath. We got our fully insulated firebox with adjustable air damper, billet aluminum handles. This customer went with the 3/8 pipe upgrade, so it's also 3/8 thick, both on the internal part of the firebox and the cook chamber. This customer did not want the laser cut grill grates, so it's got just some traditional expanded metal ones. And that is pretty much it. This one is going to Lake Havasu, Arizona. Hope everybody has a great day, and thanks for looking. Bye.